Hey my friends, in today's video what I want to do is show you how to join GotBackup, the steps to take, as we have many people who contact us that want to know how to get started. So I thought I'd do this little video just to walk people through the process. It's really easy to do. GotBackup, for those of you who do not know, is an amazing business opportunity and has a product that is needed by everyone worldwide. It is a huge market, which is GotBackup. And secure your digital data. So it's like a backup service plus storage, plus you can collaborate and share links. So you can back up your phone. You got an iPhone, you got Android, you got your computers. You can back up your phone's digital devices, your computer, for you and 5 family members, and get 6 terabytes of space, which is unheard of, all for $9.99 a month. And if you want to build a business out of that, because the comp plan for GotBackup is amazingly lucrative, you pay a $40 one-time fee as a reseller, and you are off to the races making money. And I've done a lot of other videos on my YouTube channel, and you can find them about GotBackup and the $100 a day online video series I did with it. Just any time you're underneath one of my videos, just click on my name. I'll open this up and you'll see that you will come to my channel where you can subscribe. Make sure and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. You can watch my playlist right here. You can see the how to make $100 a day online, the $9.97 easy business. That's what we call it. And some more videos about GotBackup, and we put out lots of content as well. I do on different marketing things for making money online as well. We are affiliate marketers. I've been doing this for well over 18 years. I make my living doing this, and we are building a massive team in GotBackup. And again, in today's video, I'm just going to show you real quick how to join GotBackup if you haven't joined us yet. So when you're watching this video, you'll see underneath, there's of course the description underneath most YouTube videos, and you can click on show more to open it up. And whatever is in the description under a video you will see, but you'll see GotBackup, and all you need to do is click on that link. And what will happen is you will be brought to a video in a place where you can take the free tour. So all you'd want to do is watch this video, put in your name and email address, and that will automatically log you into something which is called My Powerline. And what this is, you will be automatically logged in, and then if you ever want to log back in because you missed something or you got sidetracked, you just put in your email address that you used right here to take the free tour. And you can unsubscribe from the free tour at any time, but this is a way for you to gain more information about everything about GotBackup, how the comp plan works, how the product works, what's involved with it. Yes, we have our own apps for the product. You can get the Android app, you can get the iPhone app to put on your phone. This product is amazing. So once you put in your information and you're brought to your Powerline area, you just click on login. If you ain't automatically logged in, which you will be the first time, but the company will send you some follow-up emails with a link to the login, so you will always have it. So you just click on login right now. You'll be automatically, like I said, and you'll see this Powerline area just like this, which this is just a test account that I did under my own affiliate link to show people the process of how you get signed up for GotBackup. And here you'll have links at the top: My Powerline, Join Now, Compensation Plan. Like if I click on that, you can come here, watch videos that explain the compensation plan in full. The product, click on products, come here, and you can see what you will get for $9.97 per month, and you'll see all the different features and compare our products, and you can join and purchase the product. And then you can also become a reseller. It's very simple to do. You can see who your sponsor is over here on the left hand side. You click on my sponsor, of course that would be me and John. And then anything else you want to contact, you got a question right here, log out of the Powerline. And so then when you want to join, all you do is click on the Join Now button. So when you click on that, this will bring you to where you put in your name, email address, you choose a username, a password, check the box, so I agree to the terms and conditions, go ahead and read them, put in your contact information so that your account is set up properly, put in your billing information, And then you can see right here the options. You have yearly, where you could save a little bit of money. If you took the yearly option, that means you get billed at once for the $9.97 in a yearly, so you only get billed once a year. A lot of people take that because they save 20%. And then if you want to become an affiliate, it's a $40 one-time affiliate at the time of sign up. But you can uncheck that if you don't want to be an affiliate. You would just uncheck that. If you just want the product, you do not have to become a reseller. So you would uncheck that. You're not going to be able to earn money with the comp plan, but you will have a fantastic product that we believe outdoes anything else on the market for backing up your precious memories, your digital data on all of your devices. And the amount of space they give you, nobody can compare. And then there's another little option here, which is a one-time automatic delete backups for content. You can uncheck that too. That is just an option. You will be able to sync your devices very easily. So that's up to you if you want that. It's only $9.97 per year. Otherwise, you don't check that box. You uncheck it. If you don't want to pay yearly, you just go up here and click on monthly. And here you will pay, if you want to be an affiliate, you'll pay $49.97. The $40 one-time affiliate sign up, $9.97 monthly for the product. And then once you have all your information here, you click on purchase. Again, it'll show you your sponsor down here. And you click on purchase. And you will became a member of the GotBackup marketing system if you choose to be a reseller. And you will have your access to your product in a members area. That members area, you will get a login that looks like this. When you here in the area where you signed up, you putting in your username and password, that will get you into your login where you will be able to log into the members area. And once back here, you will be a full-fledged member and own the product and be able to use it and start backing up your digital devices. I have a ton of tabs and stuff open on my computer. Proceed to the members area. They're not having a problem confirming my email. I just haven't went and confirmed it a minute ago. So I need to do that. But you can still get into your members area. I just need to confirm that. So once you're back here, you watch this video and you will be walked through the members area, the GotBackup dashboard, promotional tools, comp plan overview. This video and these links here will lead you through your members area. Plus you have these side options over here like digital tools, and you click on that, you go to GotBackup, use this tool, which is to use the product. That's where you will they have full instructions for setting up the product. You can set up a password for your other 5 family members. For people who don't want to share their digital data with you, like if you have teenagers and they want to keep their stuff private or whatever like that, they will have a password to access their own area of it. Because, like I said, this is a family account you are signing up for, which is you and 5 family members if you wish to have them have access to backing up all their digital devices. And you get 6 terabytes no matter what, even if it's only you using the service. And then you got the installation videos, and then you got reseller tools. So if you want to market GotBackup, you'll have all the reseller tools available. There is also a Facebook group that you will be able to join so that you become connected with all of us who are building GotBackup together. And they also do webinars every week, and you will get emails with those links to join those webinars so that you can learn more about the opportunity, how to market it. They do all kinds of great stuff to help you grow your business. And then they also have a full lead capture system for those of you who are familiar with email marketing. So when people take that free tour, if you decide that you want to build the opportunity and they put in their name and email, you will be able to follow up with them and send them an email through the lead capture system. And that's what's great about a lead capture system is email marketing offers the highest ROI of any marketing online. So the ROI, for those of you who don't know, is return on investment, meaning for time, energy, and money spent building a business of any kind. Email marketing is the absolute highest ROI. GotBackup gives you that as part of their marketing system. You pay nothing extra for that. Okay? And that's the other point I want to make. When you're in my Powerline and you sign up and you pay the $9.97 monthly and the $40 affiliate fee if you're building a business, there is nothing else you need to buy. your cost per month is $9.97 for this business opportunity because you already paid the $40 one-time affiliate fee. There may be upsells or different things GotBackup sells, because they do. They're a full digital company and they have their own data center. They basically are the internet, and that's how they can give people 6 terabytes, because they literally own a data center. And that is what makes the internet work. And so this company is debt free, because people have asked, how can they give 6 terabytes? Well, that's the reasons why. There's no middleman in their operation for supplying you with this digital product. And so, but they may offer you other stuff, and you don't have to buy that to anything else to fully earn any money through the GotBackup system. And I explain that on many of my videos I've done about GotBackup. So there's nothing else that you need to purchase in order to earn from everything that GotBackup has. You just need to pay the $9.97 monthly. Now, I just heard a creak behind me, and that was probably my cat walking in the door. The door slightly creaks, so sorry about that. And then you have different other aspects in your left-hand side of the GotBackup members area. You're free to click around through all of this. Don't be afraid to. And check every little thing out. Some of these things you'll be using. Some are just for your own information, you know, like when you make commissions, your downline, live webinars. That's where you can also see the schedule for live webinars, the leaderboard, people that are currently on top of the leaderboard that are making huge waves with GotBackup, meaning they're actively promoting it and doing very well with it, to show you some proof of other people that are loving this whole entire product and system. So other than that, my friends, subscribe to my videos. I've done a whole series where I've walked people through. Like I said, you can click play all. Like when you click on my name underneath the video after you get signed up, and you can come to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click play all, and you can follow my entire series that I have made on earning over $100 a day from GotBackup. And of course, you can earn much more than that. It's all in what you put into a business online as to what you're going to earn. But we look forward to you joining our team, and we are rocking it, and we want you to rock it with us. And other than that, my friend, we will see you on another video, and have a great day.